Hello everyone, my name is Aditya, and today I'm going to give you an excellent tip while you are at home. We have been traveling for a while, and we are really unsure if this coronavirus has affected us or not. Okay, but while we are at home, I want you to follow this tip. This is very effective. Now, I am not a doctor by profession, and if it is serious, you should take strict medication and follow what the doctor says. But this is a very good home remedy. Okay, especially since we are at home, we are self quarantined, and you have a cough problem, and it's not going for a while. We are scared that if this is coronavirus or not, but this will definitely work. So what I want you to do is just grab a warm glass of water, take a clove of garlic, peel off the skin, take 1 spoon of carom seed. It's called ajwain in Hindi, and in Marathi we call it ova. Keep this ready. Take a pinch of salt besides you, and take this together. Start chewing it until you get a very good burning sensation. Your mouth will start burning, and as soon as it starts burning, just gulp it. Okay, count till 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and the warm water that you have besides you, just have it. Trust me, this is the best medicine as of now for cough. My grandmom used to tell me while we were kids, it not only gives you a relief with cough, but it also helps with headaches and if you have any gas problems, because in garlic there is this property called allicin. Now I don't know, I have not done a lot of research, but I want you to take the benefit of this. Secondly, while we are at home, there are a lot of strict measures that we are following. We are keeping ourselves sanitized, washing our hands regularly. So I don't want to give you a lot of tips on that, because we all know what we are doing and we are keeping the social distancing. Okay, but while we are at home, and this coronavirus, as I have checked a lot of websites and a lot of research, it says that it affects a lot of people who have a weaker immunity system. Okay, so what I would suggest you is to have a lot of vitamin C, anything that contains a lot of vitamin C and zinc, because these two are very essential elements, and they can really boost your immune system. Now, vitamin C is something that you can have in lime. It contains in all of citrus fruits. It has a lot of vitamin C. There are over-the-counter tablets also that are available, which contains a lot of vitamin C and zinc. Okay, so you can check with your your nearby chemist if he is having that. You should go ahead and go for it. Well, that's about it. Stay safe, and it's always good to have a social distancing, especially in this current scenario. So stay safe, and God bless you all.